She keeps her head. She won't put her head down though.
Kylie, what are you doing?
Hold on to it. Go up. Hold the button.
Other one.
It's nice the way they put a headboard to move it.
Yeah.
Why don't you just hold it?
What are you doing? You playing with the bed?
Yeah, Lorena had one of those beds on the birthing bed, but
You go night-night?
at a hospital bed.
I haven't even slept in it. Aside from when they made me, I haven't slept in it.
Seriously?
Because I can't take the collapsible part of the bed. It hurts too much.
She likes to snuggle up with me.
Then, yeah, I can sleep next to me.
I have some bread and butter.
Look, she figured out how to hold it down. Kylie,
Bread?
Kylie, you done? No more?
Your hair.
No more?
I'm sticking straight out to the side. Good night. Here, want some bread?
You go night-night? Bread.
Say thank you.
Go night-night.
Gosh.
Kylie, you going night-night?
Hot and cold.
Baby. Oh. Baby.
Where? Show me. What you got? Look. Show. Hold it here. You can see Grandma. Hold it up here. Alright, we're done.